Harivansh Mehta of class 9th Lovedale in Venkateshwar International School. I have created this chatbot in Python programming language under the umbrella of Atal Tinkering Lab of VIS. Let us have a look.
Okay, so let us start with the output of our virtual assistant cum chatbot program. So here we can choose between what to use, the chatbot or the assistant. The chatbot is like a digital friend with which you can chat, and the assistant is something that can open files or perform tasks for you. So let us see. Let us go with the chatbot first. So I'm starting. Hello, what is your name? Why this name? So it is actually Jarvis, Jarvis, which means just a rather very intelligent system. So let us go further. How are you? I'm doing good. Let me tell. Nice to hear that. Okay, so this is a friendly one. So not only just general chat, you can also have it tell you the latest happenings or information related to it in the world. So let us ask it for something that is very trending these days. So what are the symptoms of COVID? Fever, tiredness, dry cough, aches, pains, runny nose and sore throat. Okay, that is good. And also COVID tracker it can give. So you can just copy out this link and paste it in your browser to view. So something how to protect from COVID, stay home and all, follow all these guidelines. Okay, nice. So some general chat. Who is your favorite celebrity? Tom Cruise. Okay, now let us end this conversation and move on to the virtual assistant. So earlier we saw how our chatbot worked perfectly as a digital friend. Let's see the assistant. So here are some introductory lines like what it can do and how it does that. Some instructions are also there. Let's read them. And now I would like some 5 problems to test it. Music. Manual search. On my way. Spotify. Now it will make that work.
So then when I'm finished, I'm all about my business and ready to save the world. I'm taking my misery, making my bitch give me everyone's favorite girl.
Query. How to write hello world in Python. So it has given us the result for our desired query. It is perfect. Next, calculation. So now it will redirect us to our self-made calculation that I have made it. So let us test it with 2 complex calculations. First up, let's see CBRT, which is cube root. I would like it of 1331. answer should be 11 according to me, and yes, indeed it is 11. So next sqrt, which will be the square root. 9801, I will check it with. Answer should be 99. Let us see. Okay, so let us proceed. Productivity. Microsoft Office. Excel. So as we can see, it has opened Office for us, and here it is. Excel has been opened. We can use anything. Now let us quit. That was it for our virtual voice assistant. We have successfully seen what our chatbot and assistant have done. Thank you for watching.